Just waiting for my water heater to fill up. I had to swap it at my rental today, so after a few trips to Lowe's, I decided to pick up a bag of trash while I was there. But I guess my phone didn't record the whole thing. That's alright, I still recorded the end result, and that's the bag of trash I got outside of Lowe's. It was a lot of cans and bottles, and that was pretty cool. But even cooler is somebody in Australia cleaned up in my honor. Thanks, Barb, you're wonderful. And please don't forget about my Follower Friday challenge. You have until tomorrow morning where I'm going to pick the winner from the raffle. Have a good one.